People are getting paid crazy money right now for one skill, AI product photography. I'm talking about creators charging $200 to $1,500 for single product sets.
Oh my God!
And some of them aren't using a real studio, a real camera, or any lights. They're literally generating entire campaigns inside AI, and brands are buying it because it works. And here's the wild part. This is a skill that's about to blow up in 2026, and you can get ahead of everyone right now. So today, I'll show you exactly how I create full product photography campaigns in under 10 minutes using AI.
Stick with me till the end because I'll reveal the full workflow so you can start charging clients today.
Step 1. Before you even touch AI, you need to understand the photography styles brands expect. Because when a brand hires you, they're not just hiring you to generate pictures. They're hiring you to match their visual identity. I want you to think of product photography like categories on a menu. Every brand uses a combination of these: studio shots, e-commerce shots, lifestyle shots, UGC style product shots, UGC with model shots, texture shots, and hero shots. These are the styles we'll generate today for Fenty Skin. Step 2. Now think of this as the creative director. Every brand has a story, a mood, and a visual identity. For example, Fenty Skin has a soft luxe, clean beauty energy, lots of smooth textures, lilac tones, soft natural light, and minimalistic styling. Before I generate anything, I ask myself, what feeling does this brand give? Is it minimal, premium, playful, scientific, artistic? Then I go on Pinterest and save 10 to 20 images that capture this vibe. I'm not copying the images. I'm capturing the mood. This becomes my mood board, which guides every prompt later. This step is important because AI will only understand your vision if you understand your vision first. Step 3. Now that we have the mood board, we feed it into ChatGPT. Here's the simple prompt I use. Here is my mood board for a Fenty Skin style product photography campaign. Analyze it and describe the visual style, the lighting, the colors, the energy, and the overall creative direction in a way I can turn into image prompts. Don't copy the mood board exactly. Instead, translate the mood into a unique campaign style I can use for my AI product shoot. ChatGPT will break down the mood board into a creative direction that actually sounds like a Fenty campaign language. To customize for your own or brand's campaign, you can replace Fenty Skin style with your own product or niche. This is how you build a campaign instead of random images. And stay with me because the next step is where we turn all this into the actual prompts you can copy. Step 4. Now I ask ChatGPT to turn that creative direction into paragraph style prompts following my 7-part structure. This structure keeps everything consistent, realistic, and brand correct. The 7 parts cover the subject, product rule, setting, lighting, camera style, aesthetic style, and the detail layer. And I tell ChatGPT, write for me a studio, e-commerce, lifestyle, UGC with model, texture, and hero shot prompts for Fenty Skin, using the 7-part structure inside a paragraph for each image. Keep the product rule clear so the bottle design stays exact. This gives me an entire campaign ready to generate. Step 5. This is where the magic happens. I take each 7-part prompt and drop it into Nano Banana Pro first because it gives that hyper-realistic, glossy, cinematic look that's perfect for beauty products. Then I also test the same prompt inside Flux 2 Pro, which gives a cleaner, softer commercial feel. And here's the key thing I teach my students. Don't settle for the first render. Generate 5 to 10 versions, pick the strongest composition, and keep only the frames that match the Fenty campaign style we defined earlier. Now, inside this step, I create each photography type. A clean studio shot of the Fenty Skin Cleanser, an e-commerce straight-on shot Fenty Skin Toner Serum Bottle, a lifestyle shot of Fenty Skin Moisturizer sitting on a bathroom sink with soft morning light, UGC-style hand shot of the Fenty Skin Glow Serum Bottle, UGC with model shot showing soft glowing skin, texture smear shot, and a hero shot of Fenty Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum Bottle. The next step will instantly level up your image quality. Step 6. Upscaling your images. Inside Higgsfield or in Handcore, I upscale everything to sharpen details, enhance texture, and give that expensive glossy finish. This is what turns a nice AI image into something that looks like a real campaign. Step 7. Delivering to clients. Finally, I save everything in a clean folder format brands actually love. Final JPGs, a PDF contact sheet, any variations, and a mini brand direction summary. This makes you look professional, even if you're doing everything from your laptop. Here's the workflow summary. Understand the photography types, build the brand story, create a mood board, translate it with ChatGPT, get 7-part prompts, generate inside Nano Banana Pro plus Flux 2 Pro, upscale, and finally, deliver. When you follow this flow, you can shoot entire brands, fast, consistent, and professional. And that's how you create full product photography campaigns in under 10 minutes. This is the skill that's about to blow up in 2026, and you can get ahead of everyone right now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification because the next video is going to take you even deeper into the world of AI content creation.